How is it going, beautiful people? Smart and I'm back on your screen right now. Super pumped, super excited as always, right? So I want to show you the overall perspective of what TKC is doing. That is the Kingdom coin, right? So from a price action standpoint, so you can check all those good stuff like the percentage gain today, and the trading volume, very very important. Liquidity as of the time I'm making this video is sitting at 82k. Not bad at all. It was more than that, but it's not bad at all, right? Fully diluted valuation and market cap, as the case may be, right? So you can check all those good stuff, ladies and gentlemen, right? So we're about to do top down analysis. As you can see from the chart, let me just go into the chart right now. Let's see what the chart is painting. All right, so as you can see, we have been on a consistent downward trend for some time right now. You can see the first massive bearish month, the second month follows suit, and look at the third month right here, and you can see that the trading volume, it's a little bit reduced, and you can see what price, acting a little bit choppy right there. You can see that crystal clear. And most of the time, if you see price acting like this, is a sign of what? Bullishness. A sign of bullishness. That means the sellers are warmed out. That's exactly what it means. If you see what a smaller candle like this, can you see that right there? Yeah, a smaller candle like this. I know I've talked about this in my previous videos. If you see monthly candle close like this, and you can see price acting a little bit choppy on the lower time frame, that means the sellers are warmed out already. When the sellers are warmed out, what should you be expecting? You'll be expecting what? Buyers to come into the game and take this price up. That's exactly what you have to understand. You get what I'm saying, right? So let's go to the lower time frame, ladies and gentlemen, right? So this is the weekly time frame right here, if you don't know. And it has been long. I made analysis on TKC very, very long time ago. And, TKC is actually in a very good price to buy, ladies and gentlemen. But I'm going to analyze, this from a top-down analysis approach. So you can see that we form a double top right here, because price refused to create a higher high. This is the double top I'm talking about, and we tanked to the downside. And immediately I saw this, I know that we are going to fall to the downside, and we'll form we even came ahead to break the neckline. Ladies and gentlemen. Let me just clone this. Can you see this is the neckline right here? Double top neckline break, then you're expecting price to go to this level. So this is where I was expecting price to consolidate this level right here, to consolidate, but price traded to the downside a little bit, and price has been consolidating here. Can you see that right there? Let me zoom this. So this is where price has been consolidating for some time right now. For like weeks in a row, price has been consolidating, and I said that the sellers are warmed out already. Can you see this point right here? Sellers are warmed out already, and price has been consolidating here. And this is what the consolidation zone that you have to take note of, right? So this is what swing high. Let me show you this right here. This is swing high right here. This is swing high right here, and this is what swing low, ladies and gentlemen. So price is trading within the zone again. Price is trading within the zone. So if you can see a weekly candle close within the zone again, then that means price is is up within the consolidating zone again. So you should be expecting something pretty incredible. So this is on the weekly time frame. So if you go lower to like the daily time frame, you see something right here. Very, very important. So this is double bottom. This is double bottom right here. This is double bottom. And you can see that price traded to this consolidation zone again. And price is coming to make a retest of here, and it's tanking to the upside again as of the time I'm making this video. So this is a very, very important zone. So what should you be expecting? Let me go to the weekly time frame. So what you should be expecting right now is for price to close above this zone, ladies and gentlemen. So if we can see what price close above this zone, then you should be buying TKC. That's the Kingdom coin. You should be buying it because this is actually a free zone. I've talked about free zone, my previous videos. I've talked about free zone before. So, there is nothing that will stop TKC from pumping to the upside. If we can see what a clear break up the zone on the a weekly time frame, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, a clear break up the zone. This is the resistance bar, and if you understand what a downward trend, this is actually a break of the swing high. So if you can see a clear break of the swing high, then ladies and gentlemen, TKC is bullish overall. TKC is going to be bullish. You can see a clear break of the swing high. Pretty simple, right? Pretty simple. And this is how you look at all these things from a technical standpoint. Very important. So, and just so you know, sellers are warmed out already. That's why you can see what smaller candles forming on the higher time frame. Smaller candle forming on the higher time frame. That means sellers are warmed out already. And when sellers are warmed out already, that's when buyers start stepping in, into the game and taking the price up little by little. Then we'll finally pump to the upside. So this is actually my buyers on TKC. If you like what I do, definitely stick around, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and share this video to somebody else, and stick around. And I'm definitely going to see you on the next one. Peace out and stay safe out there.